If you have questions with predetermined answers that you'd like to offer to your users, you can use a drop-down field. To add a drop-down list to your form, find the drop-down field on the right-hand side of the work area. Click and drag it into the work area. Hover over and look for the Edit pencil. Select whether the field will be required or not. Then type in your question or the label. Here you can add some help text that the user can see when they hover over the question mark, which I'll show you in a minute. You can add a placeholder that will show up at the beginning of the slide area. I'll show you that in a minute. Then you can start adding in the years. Let's start with the year 2020 and work backwards. I need a few more years to put in there, so I'm going to add an option, add an option, add an option, and continue on with my years. I can keep going and add as many years as I want, but let's just say that's enough for now. Scroll back up, and you can toggle to see what it will look like. So toggle preview, and this is what it will look like. In what year were you born? Here's the help. Those are the words I wrote in. And this is the placeholder information I put in. Click on the down arrow to the right, and there are all your years. Don't forget to save.